Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa?
Attorney, you will be
That's
for me.
precisely the point that I'm saying. That's precisely
Bawal
The right to counsel is something that has to be observed
Right to counsel.
and respected.
Kaya nakikipakialam sa kanila. Huwag yan. Baka mo ano yung lawyer. Baka mo ano yung lawyer. Huwag mo hawakan yung lawyer. Huwag mo hawakan.
Yung mga
Huwag mo hawakan yung nanay ko.
tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko? Matanungan. Kayo, nandito lang kayo lahat. Ikaw, tanungin kita, anong kasalanan ko?